Automatic roamer with machete dial, latest model, automatic with day and date, similar to Rolex with a pivot bezel in full golden. Same model in rose gold with a green machete dial. Blu-ray. This is Fosse automatic. Skeleton back. This is again Fosse in a bronze color. This is Fosse in a rose gold color with a brown index dial with a diamond lining. This is Fosse with a radiant diamond lining dial with a rose gold dial as well as a rose gold metal. This is a flash model, unique and different with automatic movement. It has that Rolex feel and look with a ceramic bezel. This bezel, you can change the direction by your own self. Rotating bezel. Roamer Swiss made with a blue embrace dial with a pivot bezel. Swiss made. International Ike in a rose gold with index 12369. Skeleton back. Flash model automatic skeleton see-through with a golden machine. Pharaoh automatic golden watch. Fosse golden automatic watch. Pharaoh hexagon cut as per Feng Shui in Vastu skeleton watch. Fossil full black automatic skeleton watch.